So let's start with what snoring is. So snoring is a respiratory sound that is generated by the upper airway during inspiration and exhalation, typically when we exhale, but can happen when we inhale as well. Now, this sound is a sign of obstruction in the upper airway. And so why is snoring a problem, right? Why are we concerned about it? Now, snoring can be a sign of obstructive sleep apnea in the sense that when you snore and you have sleep apnea, you're not getting oxygen, right? Because the upper airway is obstructed. So you're breathing in while you're sleeping, but you just can't get the oxygen to the tissues in the body. Now, this can lead to many medical problems along the line, complications long term. Now, aside that, we know that sleeping with someone who snores is not a nice thing to have around, right? It causes problems in relationships. Have you heard about sleep divorce? That's really when people who are married can't sleep in the same space, the same room, share the same bed because one party snores. And so that causes a big strain on relationships. Now, let's talk about why people snore.